Today, this is a slime video. I'm new, and Jasmine, if you're here, please subscribe. I hope you get this on because I have been working on it so long, and I'm glad for you, Jasmine, if you're watching. I'm glad you are going to be an YouTuber, and now let's start. This is my first slime. It's chocolate slime. It smells like chocolate. This is my second slime. It came out of bunny, and it is like the ocean, and it is blue and glittery. This is my gold slime. It doesn't smell like chocolate, but it did came out of the container. And look at this. This is so beautiful. This is the smelly kinetic sand. I'm so glad I got it because it smells like perfume. This is my other one. This is my ocean one that my mommy bought for Easter, and this is my one that I made with my mommy. She got a necklace too, but she gave it to me.